the Brad M12 Ultra-Lock Connection System by Molex, offering the quickest way to connect by simply snapping into place. They are also backwards compatible with traditional threaded connection styles. These connectors are ideal for a number of industries, including food and beverage, oil and gas, factory automation, conveying and sorting, automotive production lines, and more. M12 Ultra-Lock cord sets offer an operator-independent connection using patented push-to-lock technology that enables a simple and speedy connection. These cord sets meet IP67 and IP69K standards to protect from water ingress and dust. More information at molex.com.